How to get promo codes and scorecard rewards on Dick's Sporting Goods website. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your web browser and go to dicksportinggoods.com. Once you are on this URL, all you have to do is, there are quite a few ways to get promo codes. The first thing you can do is to sign up for emails. So you can join the Dix emails sign up list to receive a 10% off coupon for the first time subscribers. It can be valid up to 7 days. So you can do that by just logging into your account on here, and if you tap on your profile icon, you should be able to sign up for it. The next thing you can do is sign up for text alerts. You can opt into Dix SMS alerts to instantly get one-time 20 to all the way up to $100 code, and it can also be valid up to 7 days. There are some app exclusive deals as well, so you can install Dix mobile application to access those kind of rewards. You don't have to apply for coupons, there are no code needed. Discounts will be auto applied in the app or at the checkout. And once you've done all of that, you can go to your checkout button, and then once you check out with your account, you should be able to enter those kind of promo codes here. There are some occasional videos or social code drops as well. For that, you can just check for Dick's official website, so you can just go ahead and follow them on their socials. You can find the links right here. And that's about it. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.